Right, this is the question. Count x in range of sorted array. Okay, you are given a sorted array and a 2D array queries where queries I represent the queries in the form LRX for each query. Count how many times the number x appear in the subarray LR inclusive. Okay, inclusive array 1 2 4 5 3 5 5 8 0 7 5 1 2 2 0 3 7. Okay, so this is like a binary search we doing, right? So we using a binary search in this, right? That's in the Java, right? We have to given a sorted array, right? And multiple queries where each query is LRX, right? So suppose we L is low, R do high, and X, right? Meaning count how many times X appear in array between index low and high inclusive, right? So for my approach, like for each query, the idea is find the first occurrence of X in the given range using binary search, right? And then we do find the last occurrence of X in the same range using binary search, right? And then we do a count is like last index minus first index plus 1, right? And why binary search, if you ask, hey, why are you using binary search? So the array is sorted and the binary search reduces time for big O n to big O log n, right? So let's like do the code. So we have to do class public array list, right? This is given. We have to array list integer answer is equal to new array list, right? And then we iterate a loop for int I is equal to 0 queries, right? अब हमने यहाँ तो queries ले लिया. 1 second, if int कर दिया हमने queries, right? I increment queries नहीं यार, queries dot length, yeah, right? I increment, okay. And then we do int low is equal to 0. Int low is equal to 0. No, binary search we have to do on the last. Firstly, we have to add queries I, queries 0, right? Low it is given, right? And integer I is equal to queries I and 1 ले लेंगे, right? And then we do x. Int x is queries I or 2 ले लेंगे, queries 2, right? Here you go, queries 2, right? And then we int start index, right? In, is equal to -1, right? And then we do while loop while we using now binary search algorithm, right? int, int high, right? and then we do mid and high, then we do int mid, right? In y high I I minus low divided by 2, right? And then the traditional binary search we use, if array mid greater than x, right? So high is equal to mid minus 1, right? Otherwise else else high is equal to mid minus तो हो गया, right? Otherwise if array to x, right, then we do start index is equal to mid, right? So high is equal to mid minus 1, and then we do if else is like what, low equal to mid plus 1, right? Mid plus 1, right? So after get the target get the target and index, right? And index, so we have to put int and index is equal to minus 1, right? Then what we can do, hold on guys, index को ले लिया, right? And then we do low, right? मल्टीपल क्वेरीज का लिया ना, इसलिए यार मल्टीपल टाइम्स करना पड़ रहा है, int queries, right? हाई का वही जो फर्स्ट टाइम लिया था, हाई मतलब आई एंड वन हो जाए, राइट? देन we do while binary search, right? binary search लगा रहे हैं ना, लो वो हाई, then int mid is equal to high minus low divided by 2, right? Then we also add low, right? And then if array mid greater than x, oh, same steps, right? So high is equal to mid minus 1, right? And then we do else, then we do else if, like, if array mid is equal to x, right? Then what we can end index is equal to mid, right? Equal to mid, okay. And then we do low is equal to mid plus 1, right? Then we do put else is low, hold on, if low I do have, right? Else is equal to low is equal to mid plus 1, right? And then do if, now do on the index, now start with the start index, right? Start index not equal to 1, 1 minus 1, right? And index not equal to minus 1, right? So we do answer and index minus start index plus 1, right? So what we can do, otherwise else में answer dot add 0, right? If this is happened, then we do a return. Let's yes, right. So we have to compile run करते देते हैं. Yeah, it is running or not. Session expired. What is saying? सबमिट करके देखते हैं यार. Please try again after some time.